live. This is the New York session stream, taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Go ahead and turn on that little bell because we are live every weekday, Monday to Friday. We would be here on the weekend if we could. 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. Watt. That being said, let's get right into the charts. Okay. Good morning, y'all. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody is doing well. Another week, another opportunity to make some progress in the charts or in the road to funded. So I already recapped my my unfortunate losses off of stream last week, but just a quick summary. We're currently now at just barely 1% profit. You know, we were at 6% profit, and then, you know, bad things happen, right? Bad decisions were made on my part. Yeah, emotional decisions, and yeah, man, you see it reflected in the charts, right? So we'll try and avoid that moving forward. That being said, let's get into it. Okay, so GJ. Okay, so we've made this bottom wick now, right? We're looking at this 189.6 level to get tapped, right? Before we continue to push up, but it looks like we might have found support, right? Looks like we might have found support, and we might continue this drive up, right? Because as soon as we tapped into this level, we were expecting the rejection, whether it would be rejection to, you know, push down further, right? Or it would just be temporary rejection, or maybe come down, grab more liquidity before eventually coming back up, right? And continuing drive in the upwards direction, right? So we'll see. Previous weekly closed bullish inside the range, which is good, but we're also respecting this resistance or this level here, right? So you also have to keep that in mind, but bullish closure is always good in terms of looking for the buys going up. But we have rejected off of this level before, this 192.1 level, so you want to be careful around these areas as well. Let's see, yep. Yeah, so you want to be careful around these areas as well. I believe once we tap into 192.2, we'll know what direction we want to push in, right? Especially on the lower time frames. So as soon as we tap into 192.2, we should either reject and flip on the lower time frames, or we push straight through and we continue to drive up to fill this range going up, right? I am looking to be bullish for the majority of the week, depending on, you know, news and other factors, but we'll see. Yeah, we're looking at the daily closed bullish as well. We created this bottom wick, took out these lows. It's sort of a fake out on the daily, right? So that's always good, right? So we sort of have this fake out on the daily. This 192.2 area is within this range. I mean, I would say this held. Yeah, I would say that held. So right, if we can tap into 192, that would be us clearing this level as well, right? Yeah, so if we get a closure above this 192 without tapping 192.2, we can have the buys going up towards, right, towards that area, right? But if we tap it before, like in one fell swoop, right, we don't ever close above on the lower time frame, we just tap it, then, you know, we just got to watch what price does at that point, right? So yeah, I think let me see. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 5 as well. Just take these out. Let me see, what's this level here on the daily? What's that level on the daily? Yeah, so yeah, let's see what happens on the lower time frames. You want to see a closure above 192 without tapping into 192.2. I doubt that would happen, to be honest, because I mean, it's just 20 pips, right? It's 20 pips, but we'll see. We will see. I would expect price to just push straight clean through, to be honest, but we'll see. because this daily doesn't have much of a bottom wick. It has a bottom wick, but not much of one, right? So yeah, and a fake out on the daily too. So things are looking good for buys here. We just need them to form as well on the lower time frames. Okay, cool. We're respecting this level for now. That's good. We have a potential level we can break out of, or we can break above, I mean. Let's see. Yep. See that for the sells. Okay, so I am hunting the buys. So range 1 buys and range 2 sells, right? Easy as that. Range 1 and range 2s. Easy as it does. Yeah, calm little Monday analysis. Pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward here. Yeah. So I mean, I could play inside these areas, right? But price would need to form in a very specific way, right? For me to start considering anything. All right. So like for instance, if we close above here, create a top wick towards 192.2, we tap that, then we start closing, then we close back below into this level, right? I mean, we need to close below this level over here, right? So we close below here, right? Then I can take some sales going down. Right, I can take some sales going down. That was pretty nice. So this is what I'm talking about. Boom, tap into 192.2, close your back below here. All right, as soon as we create a little bottom wick or top wick, we continue to move going down. All right, so that's a move you can look to as well. But for now, what I'm really keen on is taking these buys to the top side. We got a closer above and taking these buys going up. This is a decent range. Got like a 20 some pip range, right? Yeah, so let's see what we got. We got a bunch of money sitting up here for sure. A bunch of, well, I guess I shouldn't say that, but liquidity wise, this would be targets, right? 192.2, which aligns with our, you know, analysis of the higher time frames as well. So yeah, man. Yeah, pretty straightforward on GJ though, so that's good. I mean, straightforward sometimes just means slow on the charts, but hopefully not today. But we'll see. I don't think we have news either. All right, let's move on to gold real quick. Let's move on to gold. Goldie. Yeah, you see that Friday? As soon as I stepped off, well, not as soon, but I believe I stepped off around 9:30, right? So this candle here, the next candle, look what it did. Close right above, continue to push up, right? So we would have had entries if we stayed, but to be honest, I saw the entries. I did see the entries, but you know, I just made a promise not to take, well, not a promise, but I just set that as one of my confluence, right? Only taking trades on stream, at least for the time being. So I wasn't about to break that on the same day, you know what I mean? Even if it was gonna be a W, it's a matter of discipline. Okay, so I mean, it's pretty straightforward on gold. Bullish, right? Weekly bullish, right? Daily bullish, right? We're starting to create some more levels we can work with though on the higher time frame, so that's good, right? We are bullish. Previous daily close bullish, not much of a top wick, right? We've already created this bottom wick here for today, and we've pushed up to a certain level, right? Have we tapped into, well, this is 2350 areas. Is this gonna be a rejection level here? I don't know, right? All-time highs. So let's see what happens, right? We could just pull back for this early New York, and then as soon as New York starts get kicking, we start pushing up. That is yet to be seen though. We'll see. We will see. Let's get my levels going. Let's get these levels going. Okay. Let me see, what's the hourly saying? So I'm looking for buys, right? So range 2 buys, or sorry, range 2 sells. Technically these are range 2 sells, right? because you sort of have this level here, right? Range 1 or level 1, support 2, but really you want to close below there. And this one's gonna go somewhere. Let's see what the 30 minutes saying. Let's see what the 30 minutes saying. Okay. How much is this range right here? What's a decent amount? I mean, we'll consider this range. I doubt we'll take well, yeah, I mean, we can have entries there, but they're gonna be very specific though, right? You would need a closer above here, see on the hourly, right? So this is yeah, so the next 30-minute closer, this candle would need to close bullish like this, come down, create a bottom wick, preferably towards 2334, right, towards this support. And then if we flip on that candle, we can take those buys going up, right? It's about a 40 pip range, so that's not too bad. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. But without a steep bottom wick, I need a closer above 2349 here to continue to push up. Yup. Okay. Let me see. Whoa, everything is like that, huh? Yeah. This would be, yes, BTP. Yeah, so yeah, this is pretty straightforward as well. Pretty straightforward. You got all-time highs up here, 235, 2355, around these areas, right? 2354, all-time highs. Nice. Yeah, I was in a trade. I had 2300 as my, as my full TP. That means I was in here early, huh? Right. Yeah, it is what it is. Was this today? Oh, this was London session, huh? Interesting. Yeah, it was a fair bit of movement during London. I wasn't trading London. Let me see this. Yeah, nah. I would not have had any entries. Oh yes, I would. This would have been a good entry right here. Yes, sir. Yeah, a little pullback rejection, pull up. Yeah, this would have been a nice entry, 40 pips. C'est la vie. I wasn't on the charts. Ain't for me. It wasn't for me. Okay, so now we play the waiting game. Let's see. Let's take a look at news here. I don't think we have news. Yeah, no news for the session. Yeah, no news for the session. We have a speech later on by 7, but that doesn't really concern us for the New York. Retail sales, got pound news. Yeah, so maybe pound news. I mean, I guess I can't trade it, right, because off stream and that, but maybe I just do that for the New York session. I don't know. At the very least, I'll record it. At the very least, so I know it's on so I know it's on record. Cool. So no news today. Let's see the whole week. No news tomorrow, really. Wednesday we got news. We have I was about to say oh yeah, it is CPI. Okay, so yeah, Monday we got Wednesday we have CPI. That should be exciting. We got jobless claims on Thursday. Okay, and we got what we got. We got not much on Friday. We got this Michigan some consumer sentiment. Not really sure how important that is, but it's news, so you know you might get some. For this first 2 days of the week, we are relatively quiet on the news end. Hopefully we're not quiet on the volume end, but we'll see. We will see. Okay, let's see what's price doing here. Are we trading below? Not yet. We're still above, right? Yeah, so let's see. Let's see if we can get some here. So we're still, you know, we are still on the not undefeated. That's why I say undefeated. We're still on a little win streak on stream, right? If not for that, you know, less than stellar trade on the alpha stream, we would still be on an overall win streak. But now our win streak is specific to the live streams only. All right, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Hold up, man. I'm being defeated by my coffee. There you go. Okay, yeah, so let's see what goes on. Let's see what goes on. I'm working on a video, yo. I'm working on a video. Well, I have like 4 shorts. I'm gonna be releasing them like Monday, Wednesdays, and Mondays. I think Monday and Wednesdays, or Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, maybe, right? Monday and Wednesday for sure. I'll see about a third day. Yeah, just for the algo, you know, the algorithm. For the algorithm, yo. Slow down a little bit on the views and that. Cool. Let's see what we can get in the charts today, though. Let's see. Actually, I do that now, and I'll do it after stream. Yeah, I gotta make a short for the loss. I don't want people saying, you know, actually no, not that I don't want people saying. It's just you have to have that balance, right? I'm not trying to create a false image, right, or a false representation of my success or something, right? So if I take a L, I'm gonna put it on in 4K. You know, if I take a W, I'm gonna put it in 4K, right? Just for the sake of authenticity, you know. We're not running no fugazi stuff around here. No fugazi. Okay, let's see how this first hourly closes. Yeah, I just hope we get, I mean, in terms of the 4-hour close, right? Oh, GJ. Yeah, this 4-hour close, if we could just get this, I mean, ideally you want a trade as soon as possible, right? So if we could get the hourly close above, which I don't really think we will, right? So at the very least, this would be a 8:30 trade, right? At least a 8:30 trade. Because you would need to close above 191.93 on the 1 hour, which I don't think we can do here. We'll see, but I don't think so. Yeah. We have good room to run up here on GJ, but we need closure above. We need a closure above 92.2. was I looking for? Yeah, so that would be clearing 192, right? Yeah, that would be clearing 192. Actually, yeah, you really want to clear 192, don't you? Yep. Yeah. You gotta clear 192. Yeah, I can't even put that there, to be honest. Yeah, you gotta clear 192 and then create a bottom wick towards these areas before taking the buys up. It's still a decent range. It's just not much of a range in terms of the, what would I say, not the possibilities or the potential ways, right, that this candle can close and the move still be valid, right? At this point, this candle needs to close, pretty low inside this range. Because if we close like around here, I mean, would need to take a wick entry just to capitalize, right? Or wait for more closures and support to form. We will see. 4 minutes for the hourly closer. Let's see what's going on. My fault. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what's going on. Okay, 1 minute left here. Let me see if the man done pulled up to the Discord. Yeah, nobody in the Discord. Nobody in the Discord. Gee, 30 seconds. Thirty seconds. Let's see what goes on. Let us see what goes on. GJ. Yeah, so we got 2 weeks left for the challenge, right? It'll be over in the not next Friday, not this Friday, but next week Friday. No rush though. Okay, so gold closed bearish. Well, yeah, closed bearish. Not inside, or I mean below this level, I guess, but yeah, we don't really have anything. Let's see. Yeah, we don't really have anything forming on gold off of that close, to be honest. Or I don't anyways. Yeah, we could come down if we create a steep bottom wick off this candle with no top wick. That's the 4-hour flipping, right? Okay. So I mean, if this manages to drive down, tap into 2330, I could play the flip of the hourly, right? If we come down, create a bottom wick in this area, right? If we break these lows, that's the 4-hour lows. No, it's not the 4-hour lows. Almost the 4-hour lows. Not quite though. Yeah, so if we come down to here, that's the 4-hour lows getting broken. All right, so you might see a pull from there. All right, once we tap into this area, you might just see a pull going down into 2330. If we start flipping there, you could play the flip of the candle. Yeah, you could play the flip of the candle for sure. Let me see. Hourly close. Yeah, depending on how it happens, I would need to wait for like maybe a 15-minute bullish closer. Yeah, ideally you would want, like, if I could get this bottom wick and then a 15-minute closer above here, right? And then we could play this range because it is still a decent amount, right? 36 pips. Not too shabby, I'd say. There you go. See that pull? See that pull? Okay, so okay. So we didn't quite take the lows. As soon as we take these lows, you flip, right? If you flip on this 30, on this 15, on this whatever, this is 5, everything. You flip on everything here, you could see a good push up. The reason I wouldn't be in there off rip is because we did have this previous hourly close bearish, right? So this could just be flipping to create a top wick and continue pushing back down. So you want to see, or I want to see, ideally, I mean, minimum here, right? Minimum of 15-minute closer above here. But even with that, I would need a steep bottom wick. All right, I would need a steep bottom wick. Yeah, so tap right into that level, huh? Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can get an early one here today, boys and girls. And hey, don't forget to go like the shorts. More incoming. Y'all gotta get into boxing, man. Ooh. Yo, PG was dancing on him yesterday, man. Ooh, for the game? That was the game? Yo, who watched the clips in Mavs game, bro? Not Mavs, Cavs. Whoa, look at it. Shifty. Between the legs, behind the back. Oh, where you going? Pull up. That's crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, PG was underrated for so long, man. Well, I guess not underrated, but it wasn't rated enough, I'd say. Or by enough people, anyways. That man is mean, bro. He does literally everything. Crazy. Oof. How was Dylan Brooks? Is Dylan Brooks actually good? Because I haven't really watched this season like that, but the fact that he's still in the NBA, it shocks me, man. For sure he give me buckets, but I mean, not a trained professional, innit? Matter of fact, forget that. I lock up Dylan Brooks. He not scoring on me. He might stop me from scoring, but he not scoring on me. She man them with the profits. Mad. The man them almost passed their challenge, huh? Yeah, I'm trying to get like you, man. Trying to get like y'all. Okay. So what do we do on gold? So okay, we've tapped into that level now. You should see some type of reaction, which you're seeing right now. So this movement is expected. This movement is expected. Now we just need confirmation. So basically the trade that I took, or the trade that I took off of stream, the trade that I took off of stream, it was basically in the light of, you see how this candle basically doesn't have a top wick right now? I basically took a buy right here, right? I was anticipating price forming that top wick, right? So I anticipated without waiting for confirmation, right? So it would be same to same, right? If I took a buy right here, it would be same to same to that trade. So you always want to confirm before you want to confirm your assumptions, right? You shouldn't assume that your assumptions are gonna play out. So you always wait for confirmations. If this 15-minute could flip here and close bullish, yeah, especially if you close bullish above here, yeah, that would just be the flip, innit? Yeah, yeah. Let's see what happens here. This is the final 5. Okay, it's not the final 5-minute. Let's see how this 5-minute close, especially if this 5-minute close is bullish, or well, actually no, it could close bearish. To be honest, doesn't really matter. This coffee got no taste. I think you get to a point where you don't taste coffee, and it's like you're drinking water. Maybe it's just bad coffee. And this is perfect. The only thing that would make this more perfect is if we had a closure, no bottom wick, and then the next candle opens up creating a bottom wick, right? That would be the only thing that would make this even better. Okay. So 5, how's the 5 gonna close? Are we gonna close bullish on the 5? Hell nah, bro. Look at the profit target. Look at the profit, bro. I took some major L's, bro. Some L's I should not have taken. But coming soon in a new video though. Okay, so we closed bearish right on the 5. I mean, doesn't really matter here, right? It's your 15-minute close. It's your 15-minute close that really matters, man. So yeah, just wait on it. Just wait on it. Yeah, man, what you gonna do, huh? I took some it wasn't even like it was just a loss, right? It was just a bad trade on my part. I had committed some cardinal sins, right? I didn't wait for my assumption to be confirmed before I entered the position. I entered multiple positions at once, right? On 2 different pairs at once, right? So I did a lot of fuckery, bro. But yeah, that's on me. That's on me. But I was off stream though, so now I'm only going to trade on stream because it looks like the stream keeps me accountable. So I'm just going to stay on stream, you know. I lack the emotion when I'm on stream. It's just very matter of fact. But yeah, it is what it is though. We still in profit, you know what I mean? 2 weeks to hit the goals. We're not gonna chase, we're just gonna keep doing what we're doing, man. Keep doing what we're doing. I'm not trying to climb all this way just to fuck it up. Just to let go, just to lose guard, man. One day at a time, one day at a time. Yeah, so let's see what this 15-minute does. If this 15-minute closes bullish, I mean, safe to say you need a 30-minute closure, right? But I don't really see positions coming in here until 8:30 minimum. Plus, we don't really have any news, so we're waiting for those key times, really. So 8:20, 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30. Nice. Nice. And get out of the pothole you shall, my brother. Just gotta stick to the plan. God's plan. God's plan. I don't know, sometimes I wrote in the Discord. In the Discord. Wagwan. A day, man. Have fun.
A day. It happens, man. It happens.
You feel
like this, I actually entered one portal too.
Hold up. You feel increase your volumes, man.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
So I can reduce the music, so.
No, it's probably me. I reduced my my audio last time.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't remember why. Yeah.
You chilling. Yeah.
Yeah. Sure, at least you're still in profit, so that's decent.
Yeah, man. I've been in the chat now. Like if you look, if you want some BS, if you want some fuckery, we show in the charts, innit? Like this dip here, my first dip that I had to climb out of with the that I saved the account from. It was off of taking a entry on speech, right? So I took a speech entry like a dumb fuck, right? And then I managed that one off of emotion, and look at what happened, right? This whole month of March, this is just off of trading on stream, right? I've been consistent, going up, and then look at the
you were
fuckery,
consistent for a month,
right? and then you see the fuckery right here off the stream, right? Started doing some emotional trades, right? I mean, we've lost. I mean, if you look at this, even in this write up, we had some pullbacks, right? But the reason these pullbacks are so small is because it's like they were valid trades, right? So we had opportunities to, you know, mitigate the trade well, right? It wasn't off emotion or anything. So these were all valid trades. But this big drop here, you know, this was some fuckery. Straight up fuckery, man. Man, yeah, the trade was fucked. It was really fucked. But
let me even look at my own charts. I'm sure things just oscillating anyhow.
As long as the trend is up in it.
Yeah.
Ooh, so yeah, so like I said, like this was basically the same type of trade I took that got me in the hole, right? I didn't wait for a confirmation of the flip. I bought and then it just continued pushing down, right? But I mean, in this case, if I had done the same thing, I would be in profit right now, right? I'd probably be break even, right? Maybe taking out some profits, but you never want to rely on that because, I mean, like as you can see, sometimes it's gonna work, sometimes it's gonna fuck you over. So you might as well just go for, you know, the one that's guaranteed to be a W. But let's see how we form. So we're gonna flip on this 30. Okay, so this is good. The formation is good, right? We've taken out this 4-hour lows. That's the hourly low as well. If this 30-minute flips and closes above, I'd say 2342. All right, we got a closure above 2342. We can take those buys going up after a bottom wick.
The gold that I bought, let me see, what did I, okay, no, it was DAX 40
DAX.
party.
It's DAX. That guy sit there up.
Yeah. Okay, gold was fairly bullish today.
Yeah, we started.
It hit my target early. Like, let's say, late Asian session.
Yeah, we pushed during Asia for sure.
I was, let me see, well, where was my first TP was 2340. It hit that a long time ago. I don't think the US indices will do anything today, but I'll keep an eye out.
Yeah, there's no news, but hopefully the key
No, it
times
doesn't always
will.
need news, but I don't know why. Today just feels like a quiet day.
Yeah, I feel. But hopefully the market opens will give us some volume here. We have comics about to open in 2 minutes. The gold flipping, so this is good. The times are aligning well, so
the US indices will likely all push up, but the old me would have bought already, but I'm trying to be patient and wait for that final confirmation.
Gotta
or rather, not even confirmation, is already confirmed. Like I need a fresh signal.
Yeah, man. You gotta keep each other accountable, man. Don't do it. Wait for your signal.
I'm not doing it.
I'm about tired of this oscillation, man, because I can taste it. I can taste that we know what we are doing. I can taste the end.
When you get profits, like not even like when your TP is actually hit. That's what used to motivate someone, and you remember that, oh, okay, I actually know what I'm doing.
To be honest, for me, it's not even TP, man. Like I can close
when you secure profits. Either way, you get right.
Yeah, nah, I understand what you mean, but like for me, it's not even securing profit. Sometimes I like there are some break-even trades that give me more joy. I mean, of course, I want profits at all times, of course, but like there are some break-even trades that give me some like more joy than TP. Like all those trades where it's like I'm analyzing every single closure like to a T. You get like price taps into a certain place, and I'm like, okay, if we're going to continue driving, this has to happen. This has to happen. You get me, like. I start calling out all those little technicalities, you get me, and I'm getting them correctly. Yeah, man, I did feel like, as you say, I did read some kind, you get me?
The way analysis is spot on, pretty
You
much.
feel me, bro? Like, that just tells you got the skill, you know? And I think we have the skill, I thought I was done with the BS, but apparently not in it. But
My dashboard is acting up, so I can't show you. But I'm telling you, bro, I'm pretty sure that in terms of just the profit target, I've hit phase one target like twice now.
yeah.
Just this sideways movement.
Yeah, I haven't really I mean, look, my win rate is like 70%.
Wait, hold on. Let me try and I'm trying to increase the quality. I don't know why sometimes it just dips to 360. Okay, go back to the dashboard, please.
What is it on Discord or what?
No, like I'm watching your YouTube live. Like go back to
yeah, so like my win rate is 70%, right? That shows you like I'm winning, like the fact that I'm in a loss.
What's
right?
like the gross profit? Yeah.
On our gross profit is 550. So that's like I wouldn't have hit what's it called, targets yet. That's like $50 off of target.
But it's still close.
Well, actually,
like
it would sorry to cut you off, but like this like the 550 is only from I don't think this includes oh no, it probably does. It probably does it? Yeah, no, it does. Never mind. I thought it didn't include, because you know I saved the account. I thought it didn't include like profit from the first the first you get, but I'm pretty sure it does. I'm pretty sure.
To be honest, I don't know, but I think it should.
Yeah, I think it does. Yeah, sorry, what was you saying?
I was saying like the gross profit. I'm trying to refresh mine, but the dashboard is acting up. But the last time I checked, like my profit target one is I think 400. Yeah, it's $400. And the last time I checked, my gross profit was 670. So right now it's probably 700, maybe even I don't know, but maybe 800. It's like man. And here's the thing: the profit target for phase two is just 250. So the total like profit target I have to hit is 650, and I hit 670 like a while back. So it's really just to minimize the losses, bro. Because man's been making profits. It's just every now and then.
I swear,
it's just unfortunate things.
Because
I'm managing risk. It's just that the win rate right now is it could be better.
Yeah, I mean, if your win rate isn't that good, you want to have a good RR to balance that out, in it.
Yeah, no, the RR is good. That's why I'm still alive.
Yeah, because like me, mine is man, because mine is the opposite, in it. Like I have my RR is usually negative, but I got a pretty good win rate, so it tends to balance out.
Okay, your win rate's like what, 70 something? Oh man, like 72.4.
Yeah.
0.46.
And that's off of like more than a month trading, in it.
Best trade 45.
I think my best month ever in terms of consistency was this March, man. Voila. Like profit wise, I've had more profitable months, but on my main account anyways. I actually cleared my main. I removed all the money from my main account.
Oh boy. I might.
Yeah, we dropped in here. So 820.
Oh, that's insane.
Sorry. What?
Bro, I can't even tell you what my gross profit is.
Is it 800 and something?
That's insane. Bro, nah.
Higher or lower?
Here's the thing. My account, is a 5K account. I think yours is a 6K account, right? My gross profit is $1,109.49.
So you've passed the challenge twice already. Nice.
No, almost twice.
Mm-hmm.
That's insane.
It is what it is.
And my win rate is like what, 41%. Wow.
But what's your average RR?
Here's the thing, right? If it's the specific level, it's 1 to 2.8, but depending on my entries, it can be as much as 1 to 10, 1 to 7, 1 to 1 to 5. Usually at least like 1 to, let's just say 1 to 3 on average.
Okay. Yeah, that's not too bad. What was that? 40% is what? That's 4 out of every 10, so that's 2 out of every 5.
Yeah, it's rounded like 42%.
Yeah, if you're winning 2 out of every 5 at a what's it called, at the RR of 1 to 3, then yeah, should sort of
I'm
balance
basically
out.
just hovering around break even of the account.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so we're dropping down further here, right? On gold. Let me see, is GJ doing anything? Not really. Okay, so exactly what I was saying, right? You want to have your move get confirmed. Well, I guess we did. Yeah, if we took those buys there, would have already been, have taken out TPs, but that's neither here nor there, right? That's it's not something for us to take, but we are pushing down further here, right? So let's see how this 30-minute closes here. 30, let me see the hourly, 4 hours as well. Interesting push on gold here. Let's see.
The downside. Oh wow, okay. Okay, so if not for my rules, I'd be taking sells right here.
On gold?
Yes. Okay, so stop loss at the previous high of the high of a previous candle, guys, sell right now, to be honest. And take profit at 2311. That's my not financial advice, but it's looking pretty good.
Okay. Y'all heard it first, man. Welcome to the Mike. Ooh, I be the Mike. Which one we call your time now? Not Mike. Angelo predicts. When we say MA, we don't mean moving average. We mean Michelangelo.
Wait, where's let me type it.
If you were already in here, you would have been in profit. If you were already in here. But
sell at market price, stop loss at the high of the previous 5-minute candle, DP at let me type it in chat.
Yeah, we're pushing down. Yeah. I'd rate the sales, but I don't really have. Let me.
But again, this is not, for me personally, it's not the most ideal because I've already hit a profit target of the day. And it's usually unlikely that any pair hits both buy and sell targets within the same day. But if not for that, that's just my, I don't want to say like my jinxed whatever, but that's just my personal observation, chat. But right now, for sure, this is going to drop quite a bit.
Yeah, I rate the sales though. I do rate the sales, but we've tapped into a level. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. If you entered as soon as you called the sell, then yeah, you would have already been out with profits because you just tapped into a level.
Exactly. You know, on my setup, I have like what's it called? I have alerts set up. So literally on this 5-minute open, I just got the alert. So I did my, and I went to check it personally, and like everything was ticked.
Yeah, if you sold immediately this 5 open, then yeah, you would have already been out with TPs, or you would have already hit TP1 rather. That's the level. We just tapped right into that level, like clockwork, man. Exactly into that level and pushed up. So yeah, you want to wait for 15-minute closure minimum, but well, that's the 30 that's gonna close, right? Okay. Yeah, so you could have sales here, but you need a bottom wick, or sorry, a top wick, or I need a top wick anyways, because this 30 is gonna close bearish here, but we have already tapped into this level. I'd have preferred if we didn't tap in, but we did. So now I need a top wick. Yeah, so it came down, tapped in, push up. Yeah, so I'm looking to mirror something along these lines here, right? We tap into this level, right? Tap into this level, came up, tapped here, and then pushed down, right? So yeah, first thing we did was create a bottom wick. Okay, interesting. But now we're pulling up here. Okay, so here's what I want to see. I want to see a pull up to these level 283.30, right? And then on the flip of this candle, I can take a sell.
So you want it to pull up to that level before you sell.
Yeah, so I wanted to tap into this area, and then as soon as we flip on this candle, I'm gonna sell.
Okay.
Of course, we could just drive right here, right? Nothing says we need to come all the way up here, but yeah, I
for
think
entry sake, it's good to have a bit of a pullback.
yeah, because like if you see here, this previous time that we pulled back from this level,
makes sense.
We had no top wick, no top wick, no top wick, right? These two candles, as soon as we tapped in, we just melted, right? So if we're gonna do the same thing here, it would be the safest option.
It might just drop actually.
Yeah, man, like it would. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest. Like if we break these lows again, we might just have a pull, like a straight pull down to minimum these lows, right? Yeah, we've taken those lows again, so you might see a pull here, but I don't have entries though. You see, this is what I want to avoid, this back and forth. This is when I don't want to really be, I don't want to be in there, so I'll risk missing the move. I'll risk missing the move for me to get some, you know, some better entries, just so I'm not here, you know, struggling with the emotion of drawdown.
Okay, so it's 8:30 Canadian time, 1:30 watts, and still nothing on the US indices. It might be a slow day.
You still have the 9 o'clock open though, and 9:30 as well.
Yeah, I'll wait for the next hour. Like I'll wait 1 hour from now. If nothing happens by then, it might be ranging, or it might still happen later on in the day, but
yeah.
So far, it's just been a straight range, like no clear direction. Now we're not even in the buy zone in any of the free pairs.
Okay, this is interesting. Let's see how this 5. If this 5 closes bullish, respecting. If we close bullish on this 5 but respecting this level, then the next 5 comes up and taps into the 230 that I was looking for. Then very high chance if we flip, we're gonna pull down. We're gonna drive down, and we're probably gonna drive down a good bit. It's because there's no news today, right? So usually when there's no news, price tends to push in the, like, once price picks a direction for the day, it'll just push in that direction to the next level, right? So if we manage to, you know, set up nicely here, we might just be able to get on the train early. I'm looking at 2306. Looking at 2306 as my TPs here, or as targets. Yeah, because I mean, look at this candle, right? We already came up, created a top wick. I mean, we've created both a top and a bottom wick, so we could go either way, to be honest. Yeah, we could go either way.
Yeah, I'm going to mute on Discord. I'm still watching the stream, but I have to like blend some protein powder.
You're learning some what?
I have to blend some protein powder, like a protein shake.
Bad boy. Getting your weight up. Get that weight up. Nice one. Getting them gains. Bro, I've been wasting protein powder. Wallah. Okay, so I mean, this is this is a really good setup right here. Formation rather, not setup, formation. Okay. Cool. I see you in the chat. W for the chat. W for the chat. Okay, so how did that 5 close then? So 5 close bullish risk. Wow, this could not be a more perfect closure. Let's see what happens here. The faster the move forms, the better, to be honest. Yeah, if we can get this, if this 5 can come up here with no bottom wick to tap into 230, well, it flipped already, I guess. Did it flip? It didn't flip. Never flipped. Yeah, if this 5 can come up here, no bottom wick, tap into 230, I'll have a sell stop on the lows. Break of the lows. Let me see how many. Yeah, we still have 30 minutes for the 4 hour. So yeah, we already tapped into that level though, huh? Let's see. That would be rejection off of 4 hour as well. Yeah, let's see how this 5 works. Yeah, as soon as this 5 flips, we might just drive, to be honest, but I'll stay out of it for now. Yeah, I'm not too worried in terms of missing a move, because I mean, if we drop here, that's still a bearish closure off the 4 hour, right? So you still have this whole range to work with on the 4 hour, so no need to rush into anything here. All right. Plus, if we drive, that's also gonna be a closure below this hourly level here, so you have all this range to work with. Yeah, mad. But don't dwell too much on the gross profit in it, because where you have a gross profit, you have a gross loss as well in it. So yeah. See, okay, so the 5 created a bottom wick. Continue pushing up here. Okay, price is gonna do something interesting now. Yeah, once you tap into 2330, you should know where you want to go, or if you tap into 2330 anyways. Yeah, hopefully we don't. Okay, so there you go. You just tapped, right? Did you tap it? Yeah, you basically tapped into 2330 here, right? Let me see what's about to close now. It's about to close 30. So that would be the hourly continuation. 5. Okay. So potential sells here. Potential sells. We tapped into 2330. I just don't like that it's the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour candle, right? The 4 hour candle tends to pull back for the final 15 minutes. Yeah, close respecting. Yeah, I'm gonna let this 15-minute close in about 5 minutes, or not 15, this 5-minute close. If we close bullish, if we close respecting this, I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close. If not, I might just consider these sells. Let me see. Yeah, on the flip. Yeah, you have good vantage until break even areas. Probably have first TP around here. See, is a high. I mean, if you flip on this hourly, you're fucked. So yeah. Okay, 15 or 5's about to close. So looks like we might close below here on the. Okay, get ready, guys. Let me see. Potential sells here. Let's see. Okay, 5 closed above. Okay, so no sells quite yet. No sells quite yet. But if you flip here, you could drive. To be honest, very high chance you drive if you flip here. But we close above here on the 5, and we've rejected heavily off this area on the 5 before, so I'm not gonna do that right now. Yeah, this formation right here with the 15 flip would be nice. Most likely if you flip here, very likely you come down. You see a sharp pull up or a sharp pull down. But yeah, I'm not trying to just get in and be taking out break even, right? Because I wouldn't take profits, right? I wouldn't take any profits here, to be fair, right? I would be looking to take profits here, 23.18. So I want this to, yeah, you see that level holding, you're rejecting off that level. But if you end up breaking below, right? So if this 15 closes bearish without driving, I'll be in the sells. Also pay attention, it is, it is the final 15 of the 4 as well. So yeah, if you flip on this 15, you could drive. You could definitely drive, but I need to wait anyways. I need to wait. I'm not too worried about it though. Worst case scenario, we don't get a trade for the day. I like how GJ is forming. Yeah, so like I said, 192.2 is my critical area, right? Or is my decision level. So if we can get some buys towards 192.2, that would be nice. But if price just pushes straight to 192.2, we should see directions from there, right? As soon as we tap into that level, we're either gonna reject or break clean above. Depending on what we do, we should see some direction. Okay, so gold flipped, right? 15 on gold finally flipped. I mean, if I was gonna take entries, it would have been there, right? It would have been off the flip. But with the way this 5 closed, I would want to see a closer here. But we might just drive here before we close. Let's see. Gotta wait on it. Okay. Not in yet. We are waiting on a close, a 15-minute close. Waiting on a 15-minute close. mean, we're driving down here, but I'm not too worried about it. Not too worried about it. Yeah, 15 minutes gonna close bearish. Let's see. Let's see how we close here. Yeah, I don't think yeah, 15-minute closing. So we close respecting this level on the 15, but it's more of a minor level. Ooh, that's a beautiful open though. That's a beautiful open. Yeah, if you break these lows again, you should see a pull. Yeah, you should see a pull right there. You should see price pull to, let me see, minimum these lows 23.23. Minimum those lows. Okay, see, hence why we wait, right? Hence why we wait. Now it looks like this support is holding, right? So, and it's the final 15 as well. Yeah. If we flip again, we're very likely gonna drive though. If we flip again, but now I don't like how we're forming, right? I'm seeing too much hesitation in the market, so I'm gonna wait for the hourly to close, which is the 4-hour close as well. But if this hourly closes like this, or yeah, so if the hourly closes like this and the 4-hour closes like this as well, that's a bearish closure, right? We're closing below ranges, right? Below this level that we previously drove off of, right? So we're respecting that level again, right? So we should be able to get some more confirmed trades or higher quality trades. Yeah, same thing on GJ. Yeah, we wait. In other news, it's the new anime season. I haven't watched. I'm behind on all the anime, man. Hey, let me see what's out for the spring. It's out for the spring fall anime. What's going on in the fall? What's going on in the fall?
I haven't watched anime in a minute.
Yeah, man. I watched. I think yesterday. Yesterday I watched. Yesterday is the first time I watched in a while. I watched. What's it? The new Mushoku Tensei. Mushoku Tensei.
Why does that sound familiar? Oh, that whiny guy.
What's it
Oh,
called?
he's an annoying word. He's actually quite annoying.
Yeah, a little bit. I ain't gonna lie.
Hold on one sec.
Hey. Is the eclipse today or tomorrow? Oh, did it already happen? Oh yeah, it is today, huh? Between 3:18 and 3:21 p.m. That's tough. Ooh, got a solar eclipse coming. That should be cool. That should be cool. Fort Erie, Ontario. Fort Erie. Where is that? Fort. Oh wait, I was about to put my whole location on this, John, bro. Erie, Ontario. How far is that from me? Can I drive there? Let me see. Ooh, never mind. Never mind. Yeah, so this is why we wait, right? This is why we wait. This is why we wait. Okay, so now we're rejecting. We're coming back up here. Interesting. Yeah, it's gonna be a interesting closer here. Interesting closer. Gonna be an interesting closer, but don't lose your composure. I don't eat beef, I'm kosher. Ooh, bars, dog. I got these bars just like J. Cole. Made some money off the markets. They like, nigga, you ain't swole. Nah. Cut it up, cut it up, cut it up, cut it. Screw. The profit's way too high. You need to cut it. Need to cut it. Oh, lol. All right, all right. LOL. Okay, so it's gonna be a 9 o'clock thing. It's gonna be a 9 o'clock thing. You know what I mean? Let's see how we close on the hourly here. Yeah. Let's see how we. Ooh, 1 sec. My fault, my fault. Back. Okay. About to see, or we might see a good, mighty fine fake out on the 30th. Yeah, this would be the worst close for for GJ in terms of positions, to be honest. Well, maybe not. Let me see. She could play this as well. Okay, 3 minutes here. We got 3 minutes here. We gonna get there one day. We gonna get there one day, man. All right, 2 minutes here, 2 minutes left, 2 minutes left. Let's see, can we get some going? Can we get some going? Okay, so it looks like we're rejecting this level here. Looks like we're gonna hold this 230, this 2330 level. Yeah, I mean a closure below there is good for sales, right? Closure below there is good for sales. It just comes down to how we want to wait for these entries. I mean, for sure we're gonna wait for a top wick. It's just a matter of where am I gonna expect that top wick, right? Because we've already tapped into the level, right? On the lower time frame. Maybe a retest, right? Maybe a retap on the hourly, right? And the 4 hour as well. Yeah, that could be it. Let's see. Yeah, so GJ didn't close very exciting. I would say we're respecting this level here. Yeah, say we respected that level. Yeah, gold would be the move. Gold would be the move. Yeah, so everything is looking good for the sales right now. Let's see. Okay, so all right, cool. So cool. Interesting. If we break those highs, I'll have a sell stop at the flip of this 30. We need to though. Yeah, if we break those highs, I'll have a sell stop at the flip of the hourly. That's the flip of the 4 hour as well. Yeah. 2328. Yeah, we might just flip right now though. Because realistically speaking, you don't necessarily need to. Okay, hello. Yeah, so you're pulling up here. Can you see that push? The faster we, the shorter the time between when we break that high and when we flip, the better, right? So you want to start seeing price sort of push heavy here. Let me see. Where's the previous 4 hours over here? 157. If you take out those highs, yeah, so yeah, it's either gonna be a 5-minute close for me or yeah, let's see what happens. So you want to either take out this high right now and flip, or you want to wait for this 5-minute closing respecting, and then once we break those lows on the new 5-minute, we can get in there. Yeah, looks like we might take these highs after all. We might. Okay, so okay, cool. So we just took those highs. I'm gonna set a sell stop 2328.58. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a sell stop here, guys. Gonna have a sell stop on gold. 2328.58. Let me see. So this is 5.1, and then 2328.5. Cool. So I've got a sell stop on the flip of the current 5 or current everything, I guess. Yeah, I got a sell stop on the flip of the current everything. Ideally you want this 5 to close bearish. I mean, yeah, ideally you want this 5 to close bearish or at least below this level here. Right, if we close above that level, I'll probably delete the order and wait for a 15-minute close or another 5-minute close. Yeah, because if we close above there on the 5, we could just come down for a bottom wick and this support could hold, right? I understand the support is on the lower time frame, but still, yeah, because I mean, we are bullish overall, right? But the current formation is pretty bearish. Cool. This is a monster of a pullback. This is a monster of a top wick. Let me see. Okay. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Okay, so We're tapping into a daily area on GJ. 4 hour on GJ came up, no bottom wick. Okay, hourly 30. The hourly close bullish, yeah. Okay, let me see. I want to see 150-minute close on ooh, look at that too. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, I want to see 150-minute candle close on GJ. Yeah, now that we tapped into this area, we might flip. If we flip, we might drive, but I want to see a 15-minute close. If we can get a 15-minute close below this support after taking those highs and tapping into this level, right? 15-minute close below 191.76. I'll take the sells going down. Let me see gold. So how did we close on the 5 on gold? Yeah, so I'm gonna delete the entries for now. Yeah, nah, no trades taken, but they're loading though. They're loading. Yeah, so I'm gonna delete those orders right now. This could just flip and drive, right? So keep that in mind. But I don't like the way the 5-minute closed, because we could just come down here, this support could hold, and we continue pushing up. So I want to avoid that. I want to avoid being in that. But if this 5-minute can come now and close below without flipping, then I'll put back my sell stops, right? I'll put back, or I might just market execute. We'll see. Yeah, if we can have a 5-minute bearish closer here without flipping, I'll probably market execute on the flip of the 15 for the sells going down. Right, this is a good top wick. Yeah, for sure. This is a good top wick on the 4, a good top wick on the hourly, tapped into this previous level. Yeah. Once we get the confirmation on the 5-minute close, we should be good to drive down, or we could drive down right now. So trade accordingly to how you you know, how you analyze or whatever. Okay, so possible entries on gold too, that are on GJ as well. Let's see which one plays out here first though. Yeah, I'm seeing your chat. Yeah. I don't know if you just wrote this, but I'm seeing this though. I'm seeing your questions. I'm still on the Discord, by the way. You wanted to go and get involved. Yeah, so we tapped into that level on GJ. Yeah, let's see. Are we gonna fall here? Are we gonna fall here? Let's see. Because I'm bullish on GJ, but I mean, you could always have a steeper bottom wick. All right, grab more liquidity before we head up. That's always a possibility. Ooh, look at the 5 formation. Ooh, look at that. Oh, did the 5 close on? Nah, not yet. It's about to though. Look at this. Wow, this is nice. This is nice looking. Wow, this is nice looking. This is nice looking. Okay. Where did we close though? So we closed above barely, right? So 15, 30. Yeah, this is a really nice looking 5-minute to sell off of, huh? But yeah, you wanna the hourly close. Okay, we did respect. Yeah, we did respect on the hourly close, right? Let's see how this 5 closes. I'll see which one is better. Let's see. Yeah, we're coming down here. GJ as well coming down here. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is really interesting on GJ. Gold is oof, everything. Oh wow. Yeah, guys. Pay attention right here. I might just market execute. Okay, so pay close attention. As soon as we close on this 5, this is the 15 flipping now, right? Okay, cool. So 15 just flipped. As soon as we close on this 5, right? If we close bearish, oh, that's actually beautiful. 15 flip, created the bottom wick. Let's see how we close on this 5. Did we respect? So we close respecting on the 5. 15 minutes coming down here again. Close below though. Close. Okay, so I am going to. Okay, no. 550. Ah, that could just drive, huh? I could just drive a final 5 of this 15. I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close. We might just miss the move because of it, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close. Once we get a 15 closer, or if we can get a 15 closer below 23.27 here, 0.4, we can get that 15-minute closer without driving all the way down, then yeah, you got a good vantage point here at that point. Yeah, let's see how this 15-minute closes in about 3 minutes. Let me see GJ though. Yeah, GJ closed beautifully. GJ as well. If we come up here and take these highs, I'll enter the flip or the 5, but for now I'm gonna wait for this 15 as well. If this 15 can flip and close bearish, yeah, we should. I see very little reason why we wouldn't continue pushing down. Yeah, it's because 30 close respecting resistance, hourly close respecting resistance, 4-hour close respecting a level. We've taken out these highs now. Yeah, so you're hitting all your all your checkpoints or check boxes or what have you. Yo, man them just left, huh? It be on people, man. It be your own people. Yeah, it's a very good formation for price to drop here. See gold as well. See the minute. Ooh, nice formation on the minute. Okay, so yeah, lock in, y'all. Lock in. Could be getting entries here. Is it gonna be gold or is it gonna be GJ? Let's see. Gonna focus on gold for now. Yeah, we just need this close. To be honest, probably have my sell stop a little closer though, because this is the 4-hour wick as well. Right? Hourly 30, 15. Yeah, if we close below there, why would we come back up, right? Okay, 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left. It's very likely gonna be a manual entry here, guys. So pay attention. Pay attention. 5, 15. Ooh. Yeah, if we can close below there, that would be beautiful. Pay attention, y'all. Okay, so still not in anything. We got this closer in about 10 seconds. I just need a little bit of a top wick. I just need a little bit of a top wick and I'll be in there. 1.5. Okay. There goes the yeah, it's a shit open. I don't like the open of that candle. I don't like the open. Okay, so 15.5. Create a top wick. Okay, we've created a top wick here. If we break these lows again, I'll be in there. Yeah, once we break these lows again, I'm in there. Might as well put a sell stop, right? Yeah. 2326.3. So 2326.45. So I got sell stops in here. I got sell stops at 2326 point, what is it, 0.45? 2326.45. Or well, I should probably put it 0.35, huh? So 326.35. Cool. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Still not in the trade. Still not in. Yeah. Ideally, you want to be activated by the 5. If this 5 closes bullish, I'll delete the order. 15:30. Yeah, after all that, we should see minimum 23.22. Minimum. Yeah, so still not in here. Still not in. Ooh, I hope I'm recording. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Okay. So not in yet. We got sell stops. No cap. No, okay, we're in the trade. Never mind. Yeah, we're in the trade. So let's see. Let's see what happens here. Break even area is gonna be either a 15-minute close, right? Either a 15-minute close, or I'd say a tap into what level is this? Yeah, I'd say a tap on the 23.24. Yeah, so either we get a 15-minute close or a tap into 23.24. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. We have a minute for this 5-minute closer. Ideally, you want this 5 to close below yeah, I'd say below here, right? You want this 5 to close below here, but I mean, it's still good. It's still good regardless, right? It's still good regardless. As long as we close bearish, we're good, right? But below there would be a lot more Yeah, it would be a lot better. Let's see. Yeah, let me just put in my stop loss here. Yeah, look at that push, huh? Last second push. Never good. 36.23. Take profit. 6.225. Okay, so yep, I just put in my what's it called? My stop loss and all that. So this 5-minute coming up here. Let's see. I don't mind the top wick, right? I don't mind having the top wick. Yeah, so this is gonna be managed off of the 30. Well, the 15 and the 30, right? Because the next 15 close is also the 30 close. So let's see what happens. Yeah, if we end up holding support here and we close bullish, I'll probably just delete the trade, because then I'm expecting us to drive up, right? I'm gonna expect us to drive up. Let me see what GJ is saying. Yeah, so GJ never flipped. The 30 minutes still open. Let's see how we close on the 30 minute. Right. But I'm in this trade right now, so let's see. Let us see. Current formation isn't the best, but yeah. I mean, this 5-minute is good, right? We liked that the 5-minute came up here, created this top wick. So now let's see how we close. Yeah, pushing up. Looks like this support is gonna hold, huh? Yeah. Looks like the support is holding. Fortunate. But let's see. We managed off of the 30, so let's see how we close. I mean, the more we pull up before we flip, if we're gonna flip, the better, right? But we are trying to avoid hidden stops. See, this is why once you get in a trade, you want to, you don't ever want to just take a trade for the sake of taking a trade, right? Because once you're in drawdown, because I know this trade is valid, right? So I'm not even worried about it, right? I'm calm right now, because I mean, price is just gonna do whatever, right? And depending on how it prints, I'll manage the position. But yeah, I've done my due diligence in terms of analysis, right? I'd say the only thing that would have made this a better trade is maybe a closure fully below these ranges, but with the 4-hour backing as well, I do believe we're good to drive down here. I do believe indubitably. Yeah, you want to see this 5 close respecting though. Yeah, this 5 can close. I mean, you want to see the 5 close bearish, but that's a little bit of a Hail Mary at this point. But as long as you can close respect in here, you're still decent. You're still looking at a decent move here. Let's see. 1 minute left. Seconds left for this 5-minute close. Can we close bearish? Okay, so did the 5 close? Okay, so the 5 close decent, right? The 5 close decent. We close respecting. We close respecting on the 5. Now, can we drive down? Can we flip here? Can we continue this drive down? Let's see. The first thing we did was create that top wick on the 5, which is decent. Can we start driving down here? We'll see. But off this 30, I'm not even gonna waste time with it. I'm just gonna manage. If we close above, you know, 23.30 here on the 15 and on the 30, I'll close either partial of the position or full, because then I'm expecting higher. I'm expecting that we take out these highs minimum at that point, right? Yeah, I'm gonna expect we take out those highs, and my stop loss is a little bit too close to there for comfort, so that's how I'll manage the trade in that scenario. Okay, nice top wick on the 5. Can we flip? Can we flip? Can we flip? Hey, I mean, again, the more we pull back, the more we pull up before we melt. If we melt, the better, right? But we will see. We shall see. Okay, we just took those highs, right? We just took those highs, which is good. If we can flip now on the 5, I have more confidence that we're gonna drive down. But if we close like this on the 15, that means we just held on this level, and look what happened last time we held this level. We pushed straight up. So yeah, that one is gonna be tough to hold that trade, but we will see. Are we gonna flip in the last 2 minutes here? I took an entry offer, so I don't even fear. Yeah. Bars. Okay, so we just filled those highs again. We're gonna see a pull here. Is that pull gonna push to stop loss area? Let's see. But again, the more the better the top wick, or the steeper the top wick, the better the drive down is gonna be, right? So let us see. Yeah, so I mean, the trade is still valid, right? We're still valid here. We are still valid. We just need this 5 minute to close bearish. Well, not bearish, but doesn't need to close bearish, just respecting. If we can close respecting 23.30, that would be peachy. But we have volume coming in here at 9:30 as well, and we are still pushing up. So I mean, yeah, that it doesn't bode well for the position. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it looks like a bottom wick now. Yeah, so final minute here, final minute. Can we reject in this final minute here? Let's see. Let us see. Yeah, the only thing I would say we could have waited for on this trade was maybe a closure confirm. Yeah, because I mean, this would be the level I consider, right? So okay, we actually didn't close below there cleanly, did we? Wasn't it? Yeah, it wasn't. I'd say this wasn't the cleanest closure below, I guess. Interesting. 30. Okay, so that's the 30 close, right? Let's see how this 30 opens. Let's see how this 30 opens. Let's See how the 30 opens. 30, 15. Okay. So the first thing we did. Yeah, that low. Yeah, tough. That's tough. That's tough. Yeah, this is tough. This is tough. Let me see. So we've taken these highs. We're still respecting that level here. We've taken those highs. Okay, so we're coming down, but we haven't taken those highs though. So it could be a fake out, but it could drive up. So I tell you what, because as soon as we tap into this level, we'll know. We'll know as soon as we tap into this level. So I haven't closed anything yet. If we end up holding here on this 5-minute close, I'll close partials. Because this is either gonna be a fake out or this is a pullback to tap into support here to continue to drive up. Right? So either way, worst case scenario, we hit stop loss. But stop loss is what I'm willing to lose, so it is what it is, right? That'd be the first L on stream for a while, or in a while rather. Let's see. This 5-minute would need to close below 330 for me to keep this full position open. At the very least, I'm gonna close 50% of the trade. Right? But we have taken out these highs already on the 30-minute, on the first 5-minute of this new 30. So we could just continue driving down for the fake out on the 30, or we could hold here and, you know, hold support and continue to push up. Very, very likely we continue to push up. If I wasn't in sells right now, I would be looking for buys, but very possible we continue. Well, go on, bro. So very possible we continue, what's it called? We'll continue to the top side here. So let's see how this 5-minute closes. If we close above 330, I'll I'll take out, I'll close probably 50% in drawdown.
What chart are we looking
at? Gold.
That should do me dirty this one.
Yeah, it might just do me dirty right now.
I took some sales though, but I wasn't really satisfied with the sales. The initial trade that I wanted was the one that messed up. Kind of pissed.
Yeah. Let me see. What's GJ saying?
I'm good. I might need a new, what's it called?
A new what?
I might need a new broker because I'm looking at the chart on what's it called here. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed.
Yeah, so this 5-minute flip, very likely we get stops hit. Very, very likely we get stops hit. But since now we're coming up again, breaking these highs, if this 5-minute flips bearish, if we close bearish on this 5, below 22.87 after flipping like that, I won't close anything, right? I won't close anything because we have rejected off this level in the past, right? So let's see what happens.
You have to be taking the piss. What the hell, man?
Gold, yeah?
No, GJ, the buy limit didn't go. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, GJ.
I need a new broker. No guy. Like, look at
GJ
105.
move, boy.
That should be 705. We check 705. GJ 5-minute candle.
Yeah, GJ move, boy.
I literally put a buy limit here, and you know the funny thing, my TP is 191.849. That's around 225 when the rejection came in.
Okay, so gold coming up here. So stops not hit yet. Let
Yeah,
me see. Okay,
yeah,
so we just closed on the 5 or 15. So we just closed on the 5. Yeah, terrible closer on the 5, man. Terrible closer on the 5, but we're pulling back here. Is this the last 15 or last? Okay, pulling back here. So okay, right here I'm gonna close partials. I'm gonna close 50% right there. 0.07. Close, yeah. So yeah, I closed partials right there. Because if we flip up, we could continue driving down here, right? We could continue driving down here for sure, but if we flip up, then it's wraps, right? It's wraps. As soon as we flip up, it's wraps. And actually what I'm gonna do to mitigate the position, yeah, no, I need a 15-minute close to mitigate this position. Yeah, in terms of additional entries, I would need a 15-minute close, right? If we get a 15-minute close below 2330, then for sure I'll take some additional sales going down. But for right now, we've closed partials on our current trade and drawdown, right? So let's see what happens. Let's see what happened. It's about 90 pips. This would be like here, right? Yeah, that's possible. That's possible.
What are you looking at on gold?
Nah, I was in some sales earlier, so I'm in drawdown right now, so I'm trying to mitigate the position as best as I can.
The gold just moving wild. I honestly thought the buys were gonna come in. I was waiting for the buys earlier. I said I was looking for the buys earlier. I'm like 8 o'clock. That's like 2 a.m. your time.
Yeah, I was looking for buys initially as well, but once we had this
I took a
hourly
buy.
closure. What?
I took a buy like I said I took a buy like let's say 10:30 my time. That was like, what time is that for you? 4:30? Yeah, 4:30. That's
Nah,
very early
that's
for you.
5:30 my time.
Okay. Okay, I don't know. So it's 5 hours difference, not 6, noted.
Yeah,
Okay. The buy
daylight
didn't come in
savings.
the way I wanted. I ended up in what's it called? The red. Although I put my stop loss at a good point, but still I wasn't expecting that.
Mm.
So, some bullshit. But then I was also anticipating sales if it broke a certain point. But I thought the buys was more likely. So I took some brief sales after that, took some profit. But other than that, I don't understand gold. So right now I'm looking at how I can enter buys on pound dollar. Because it's looking like this is supposed to go. Looking like this year about to go. But fuck that gold, man. That should just stay anyhow.
Yeah, gold
And
just doing whatever. Yeah,
and
so
DJ was literally the surest bet. But as usual, my broker, the spreads have messed me up. We all need to find it. Doesn't make sense. What are
yeah,
you checking again?
so
And it literally entered. I'm looking at my chart right now. It was sure, bro. It was sure. But can you imagine?
these things happen. These things happen.
Bro, it spreads. It's not. It's different. It's different if I did rubbish. But the
Yeah,
spreads happen, bro. That's not fair. I will accept the rubbish. I don't even mind. But the broker fucking start solving. That's one thing.
Yeah, so GJ might, you might get something on GJ here, but yeah, we in gold right now, so
Gone. DJ is gone.
I mean, yeah, I'd say wait for an hourly closure. You could get some off the hourly, but
The bulk of the move was gone. Like between like over the past from like 1 a.m. to like, did I say 12? GJ was consolidating, waiting for the moves to happen.
yeah.
What just happened?
Yeah, so this 5 is coming down here. Well, it flipped up, right? So yeah, this formation right here, this is basically your executioner right here. This is judge and jury right here. This is either gonna push us up to a full stop loss, or we're gonna reject here. We're gonna hold maybe resistance here and close below. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. See what happens. How I'm gonna be looking to mitigate here would be, so basically if we close below 2330 on the 15, I'll take a second entry, right? I'll put in a second position on the break of the lows. But let's see how we close here. Hey, it's not too bad, right? If we take the L here, that's first L on stream in a while, so it is what it is, right? Yeah, I would say the only thing I would change about this trade, getting into this trade, is I would wait for a better closure below this level completely. Yeah. That's the only thing I change about position, but we in here now. We in here now. Let's see. OBS. All right, 2 minutes left for this 5 close. Let's see. What is that?
No, so I was waiting for one anime to drop, but the site are amazing. Is that go user? I don't even know if you can.
Sorry, what?
I said, is that show, what's it called again? Go user.
Go user.
No, I was just no, yeah, streaming. Let me just, I'll send the picture.
Okay.
Let me, if the 15-minute closes the way I want to take back. GG.
Yeah. This is gonna be a crucial 15-minute right here. Crucial. So last minute of the 15. Nah, gold. So last 15-minute here. Let's see. Are we gonna close full or keep this? Yeah, man. You really want to.
Can LTD.
I mean, yeah. If you close above here, it's gonna be tough for me to keep this open. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be tough for me to keep this open, cause a closer above 2330, I can't even mitigate, right? I can't have additional positions until the hourly close. So Yeah, look at that. That just did me 30. The final 5 minutes there just pulled back. Or the final minute actually. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so
Also,
that close, I said close. That close was not the best, but we did end up closing below 2332 here. Okay. 5. Okay, so now you might just, that might be a bottom wick and you could start pushing up here. You could start pushing up here, but given that we closed below, I'm gonna wait for a 5-minute close. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. If we're gonna drive, I think the first closure we have on the 5-minute here is gonna be the direction we drive in. Yep, and it looks like it's up. Let's see though. Yeah, if we close bullish here, I don't see any reason why we wouldn't continue driving up. If we close bearish, I believe we would continue driving down. So let's see. Yeah, let's see. If the 5-minute close is bullish, I'll just close full manually. There's really no point to hold the position. Yeah, at that point the trade doesn't make sense anymore, right? So I gotta take it out. Let's see what I want. GJ, yeah, GJ for me, I don't really have anything right now. I got nothing on GJ right now. Yeah, you would need an hourly close on GJ, I'd say. C30. How many range? 11 pips. Yeah, if you can get an hourly close above 192 on GJ, you can have your buys going up to 192.2, which are the targets for the day. So so gold is dropping here, but are we gonna be able to close bearish on the 5? Let's see. Let us see. Yeah, so if we close bearish on the 5, that just means we're keeping the positions, but we can't add any. We can't add any onto the position though, because the 15s did still close respecting. So you would need basically the hourly to close bearish before you add positions. Yeah, but the fact that we're holding support like this, and it's not like we have news or anything, so I'm not really as confident in this position playing out. But it's still valid, right? It's still a valid position. Our closures, the closures we've been getting, make the position still valid, right? So now we just need a bearish closure on this 5. Preferably below 2330. If we hold this support again, I can't promise that we don't drive up. Okay, so final minute, last minute, not the best open on the minute, but let's see. Can this 5-minute drive down here? Can we drive down? Okay, so 30 seconds here. 30 seconds. What can we do on 30 seconds? Moon, drive down. Can we get a closure below? Can we get a closure below? I just wanna see you go down. Okay, so We have a bearish closer, not below though, just at the level. Interessant. Okay, so 30-minute hourly flipping as well. Last 15 minutes of this hourly. Okay, yeah, so I haven't closed anything yet because we are still closing bearish. We're closing below, we're closing below levels, but just not the level I was looking to close below. Because I mean, this is a resistance at the end of the day. It's not a support, right? So just the fact that we close below 2332 is good enough, but still, right? Let me see, 30-minute. Okay, 30-minute and the hourly. You know what? Let me see the hourly. 30-minute. How many pips is this from here to here? 17. I'm gonna have another sell stop on the flip of this 30-minute. I'm gonna have a sell stop on the flip of this 30 if we flip on the 30. Let me see. Hold up. There you go. All right. So I already closed half of that position. Let's see. So gonna have a sell stop at so what is this? 2328.28. Yeah, so I have a sell stop at 2328.2. This is gonna be a second position to mitigate this first one, right? If we get tapped into that one, into this second position, I'm gonna look to manage this one, right? So as soon as we come here, as soon as we get back to BE on the original position, I'm gonna look to go break even, right? Gonna look to go break even. That's the 5 over there. Yeah, so let's see what happens here. If we come back down and take out these lows again, we'll be activated and we should continue to drive down. All right, yeah, this 5-minute close is also gonna be key here. 15 is gonna close, hourly is gonna close as well. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happened. Broski, you got in GJ? I mean, I don't really see anything actually.
Yeah.
What?
I said I'm looking at GJ, looking for nice.
Yeah, if you can, I mean, because my target for the day before price really picks a direction is 192.2. So if you can have a closer above 192 on this hourly, you could take the buys up.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you too well.
Oh no, I'm saying like me, I have my daily levels at like to tap in for where I think price will tap in before picking a direction long term is 192.2. So if you can get a closer above here, to be honest, I mean, what's about to close the hourly, right? If you can get a closer above
I think I have a level there, 192.181. Yeah, that's my TP. I have
yeah,
a level right here that is on 191.96. I need this level to break to 191.99. Then if it breaks, I'll enter buys. And my TP is the place you're talking about. But I think rejection will come in there before it starts to go further. So I need the first TP before I now make another trade.
Yeah, for
I'm
sure.
watching GG.
For sure.
I'm
Okay,
trying to look for
so
that one.
yeah.
And also, I'm looking at pound dollar. I need the 1 hour closure to close above the certain level. But
Mm.
I enter like buys. So I'm also monitoring them. See what happens.
Yeah, for sure you could get that. Yeah, let's see though. Okay, so gold 5-minute closed. We've tapped. Yeah, now we got activated into the second position, right? So we got activated into the second position. So let's see. We're gonna go break even as soon as we take out these 4-hour lows. Because once we take out these 4-hour lows, you should see a push. If you don't see a push, then I mean, you're probably gonna close bullish here, right? So wow, lows.
The first song ever.
What's this? 4-hour lows, 2235. Okay. Yep. Damn. Let's see what we can get here. Let's see. The closers have been in our favor, so that's good. But yeah, you really want this hourly to close bearish. If you end up pushing bullish right here above 2330 in this last 3 minutes, yeah, it's a long day. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be a long day. Let's see though. Let's see. Let me just put in my stop loss for this one. It's gonna be. See where we got those stops at. 2336. 3. TP at 2306.
Damn.
What happened?
I'm looking at GG.
Yeah.
Some rejection was coming.
So not 2 seconds, 2 minutes left for this 5 to close. Let's see if we can drive down here. See if we can drive down here. 0.7. Yeah, so if we break this 4-hour low, you should see a pull, right? Once you see that pull, I'll go break even on the mitigation position, or the mitigated position, I guess you would call it. So 1 minute left here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, see, nasty pullback last minute of this hourly. It's expected. Well, let's see if we close below though. Let's see if we close below 30 seconds. Ooh, look at the minute. If we can flip dangerously on this minute, if we can flip furiously on this minute, then I'd like that. I'd like that very much. Looks like we just might. We just did actually. Yeah. Okay, so this is looking like a trade I am willing to hold now. Yeah, there you go. Cool. Cool. So let me see how this hourly opens. You need a good open here. Oh, we created a top wick immediately and we flip, right? So as soon as those 4 hours, this 4 hour lows get taken right here, as soon as you get this 4 hour lows get taken, I'll go break even on everything, right? What level is that? 2 some. Okay. Yeah, as soon as we tap into those levels, okay, so we tapped into those levels. I'm gonna go break even on everything. Let me see. Modify. Oh, never mind. I have my stuff right here. Cool. So I'm break even on everything. CF9, 10. I haven't closed anything yet. I believe first TP I'd say is the break of these previous 4 hour lows. Yeah, the first TP is the break of the previous 4 hour lows. We are, so that's 2323, right? So 2323 would be first TPs. Ooh, okay, so we just hit first TPs. I'm gonna close majority of the position. Yeah, I'd say close majority of the position right there. So let me see, in terms of net profit or loss, what did we do there? So 30, what, 36? Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so I've closed majority of the position there. Let's see. Okay, pushing those lows again. Yeah, rejecting. For us to be break even, 1970. Yeah, so I'm gonna push my stop loss a little bit low here. Right there. Yeah, so if we come back and hit the stop loss, if we come back and hit stops, it's gonna be a break even trade. Right, actually, I might just pull this up a little bit. Might as well make a little bit of profit. Cool. Yeah, so such is the beauty of the game, huh? Such is the beauty of the game. So that came out break even, right? So the initial loss was so let me do quick maths plus 5. What's that? Plus 5. Yeah, so the original loss, or we closed partially, right? So it's all the same move. So all this was one move, right? But we just mitigated the move. So the original closure was minus 41.51, and this one was like plus 42 point something, right? So technically we made a profit, but I'm gonna put that down as a break even. I'm gonna just put that down as a break even, right? We're still dropping here though. We're still dropping here. I mean, if we stayed in the full positions, would be sitting pretty nice right now, but yeah, it didn't make sense to keep the full position open, right? With the way we closed, so no regrets there. But now if we can get a 5-minute closure here below, I'd say 2318. Actually, no, I don't want to tap into 2318 just yet, but we might just do that here though. We might just do that. Let me see, how's GJ forming? So GJ looks like we're creating a, yeah, GJ is dangerous the way it is right now, because it looks like we're creating a top wick to continue driving up on GJ. But if you look at the 4 hourly, has no low, has no bottom wick, so we could just flip right? We could just continue driving down here. So I'm gonna stay away from GJ for now. Gold is still dropping, which is I don't know whether to say it's nice or unfortunate, right? But yeah, disgusting close though on the 5. Yeah, this would have probably been full TPs if I held the full position. This would have been full TPs right here. But hey, break evens, break even. So that was a beautiful trade in terms of risk management, right? We managed that to the T, right? We managed that to the T. So I take a break even any day. Cool. So we still have our 8 win streak, or is it a 7 win streak? I'm not sure. Either 7 or 8 on stream anyways. So that's a break even for the day. A little break even for the day. There you go. A little break even for the day. I could be really particular and say it was a W, just because I mean I did make money technically, right? I made like so I had 49.30 before, so now I have 49.46. So I made 10 cents, bro. You know what I mean? Put some respect on my name, bro. I made 10 cents. It's not easy, man. It's not easy, you know. If it was easy, everybody would do it, but it's not easy.
Yes. If it was easy, everybody would do it.
What do you think?
Yes, you are right. If it was easy, everybody would do it.
Exactly, man. 10 cents, not like that's $1. Sorry, 1 naira. I'll be 10 naira. Yeah.
I'm not sure about the mathematics.
Not 10 naira. No be 1K. Well, it's at least 1K. $1 is at least 1K.
$1 is like, if I want to 10 cents, 130 naira. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Sad, isn't it? It's sad, ain't it?
So at least you secured $1.
You get me.
$1.
Don't be even $1. Before I come on night, $1 should be now 150. I be now 120. So.
So how many people will look at the amount of investment can concoct $1?
Wallahi, I buy gala for 150. Yeah, wallahi.
I think it's the big kind. I mean, the average size is $1.
Okay, that one we get air inside 80% of it. Well.
That's beside the point, but yes. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, I guess. Let me see. Let me update this as well. So BE on gold. Let me see. Yeah, so I mean, I'll stay for this 15-minute close and then I'll decide what I want. But for right now, if you were gonna take sells on gold, it would be very risky without a closer, because we've tapped into this level now, right? So are we gonna hold on this level and start rejecting, or are we gonna close? I'd say wait for a 15-minute closer minimum, but you might drive before then, so trade accordingly. Trade accordingly. And hey, if what? Wait, what did you say?
I'm trying some shit, ignore me.
It's your mic, huh?
I said I'm chatting some shit, ignore me.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, so I'd say wait for this 15-minute close and then Yeah, because usually when there's no news like this, once price has laid its hand like this, it's just gonna continue until it enters the range it wants to consolidate in for the rest of the day. But yeah, if we close back inside this range, I would assume we're just gonna consolidate inside this range for the rest of the day, and I'll be done. But let's see what 10-15 does here. Let's see what 10-15 does. Yeah, I mean, GJ is looking good for buys, but you just pay attention to that 4-hour, right? You could flip at any time here because we never closed above this level. Granted, this level is a support. It's never held as resistance, I don't think. At least not on the...
I said, which level are you talking about?
Like 191.85. So yeah,
on GJ, right?
Yeah, on GJ. So that level has, yeah, it closed above, and it's only, that level has only held as support in most recent times, right? So you could continue driving up.
So holding right now, today is held as a, I would say today it's held as a resistance twice.
Yeah.
Twice.
Yeah, you're right. On the 30.
Buys are coming. Yeah, look at it. It's held as resistance twice. To me, I think the buys are coming.
Yeah, man. Yeah, like if we're, like the only bad thing here, like the best thing would have been like the current 30 and 15 if it created a bottom wick to give this 4-hour a bottom wick. If it pulled back all the way for this 4-hour to flip and then it pushed back up and closed bullish, I wouldn't even wait for a bottom wick. I would buy immediately the next 15 open. But right now you gotta wait. I'd say, to be honest, I'd say buys above 191.92. Yeah.
I'd say 192 on the dot. Just anything above that is fine.
Yeah, I know for sure. Confirmed buys 192. If we close above 192 on the 15 or 30, then for sure we should. I mean, of course, nothing is for sure, right? But we should tap 192.2. Yeah.
Exactly. If there's a closure above 192, that region that you're talking about 192.2.
Yeah. For sure. But right now, we gotta wait.
I'm not looking at both cards today. Don't want to go there.
Yeah, so gold's still dropping. Gold is
I'm seeing some indecision. I'm seeing 5-minute candle, back-to-back dojis. Nope.
Oof, yeah, this is a nice formation on gold, man. Yeah, our original positions would have been nice, man. It would have been nice, but yeah, we had to manage.
On gold?
Nah, sales, man.
Now you're saying
Nah, sales. We had to manage that, though. We had to manage that one. Yeah, to be honest, the only critique I would give to the management was maybe I could have held, because I sort of pushed the stop loss into profit just so, you know, the trade doesn't end up as a loss. So at least we go break even. But yeah, in terms of the levels to tap, yeah, I could have held it a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but still good. Still a decent decent management. Okay, 15 is about to close. Let me see now. Okay, so yeah, 15 is closing bearish on GJ, so for sure you want to stay out of that for now. You You want to stay out of that for now. Yeah. So
I do not like that.
exactly. Yeah. Now, I'd say, yeah, I'm gonna stay up till 10:30, and that's about it. Ooh, look at gold though. Okay, let me see. Let me lock in on gold real quick. Let me see. 30-minute, 15. So this is what, the 4-hour. This is the hourly as well. I don't like the hourly though. What do we have here though? We don't have anything here in terms of rejection. So if we're looking to reject, we're coming down here minimum, right? Damn, I wish we created a steeper top wick though. It's the 4-hour again taken as well. Yeah, if you break these lows, you're gonna see a push here on gold. Yeah, I would have been in earlier actually. I would have been in on the 5-minute flip, but that's gone now, so I'm gonna just have to watch this actually. Let me see. Yeah, I would have already been in here, but right now I'm gonna have to watch this. The only way I get in here is if we get a top wick to let me see, 5. What's happening on the 5? So that's this level here, right? 5, yeah. So if we get a top wick to 2323, right, basically above these highs, if we get a top wick there and we flip, I'll take those sells for sure. I'll take those sells for sure, and we should see a decent drive, to be honest. Yeah, if we tap above these highs, cool. If we tap above those highs, once we flip, we should see a pull down. But if we flip here, we're probably just gonna drive, right? We're probably just gonna drive, but let's see. Okay, it might actually play out here, guys. It might actually play out. That's the hourly highs. Yeah, you shouldn't flip on the hourly again if you're gonna drive here. Yeah, so this would be break even. TP's down here. Okay, so no entries yet, but we're about to get into the areas that we're looking for in terms of pullback. Oh, my fault. I got the wrong screen on. There you go. There you go. Cool. So, well, not quite yet. I want to clear these highs convincingly. Just get ready. Man, take the gold sells with me, bro.
I should take the gold sells, but I don't, on my own charts, I'm not really feeling confident about it. Unless you can elaborate.
No, I'm joking. Nah, I'm just looking at this formation we had here. We had all this momentum to the top side just now, but then we flipped, right? So that's just the top wick on the 4-hour, right? Top wick on the hourly as well. Came down, closed bearish below this level that we had major sells off of in the past. This 15 just closed back bearish again below this level here. Now look at this. Now we're creating this top wick towards these levels, right? We're breaking these 5-minute highs, right? We're breaking these 5-minute highs, and so if we flip on this 15, I don't see any reason why we wouldn't come down to 2316 minimum, because that's the only rejection area I'm seeing here. So that's basically my thought process for that one. Okay, so that's the minute 5. Okay, so we took out the previous 5-minute, right? I was looking to take out everything, but I mean, it's a rough area, right? It's a rough area. It's not a specific number, right? So I'm gonna have a sell stop. Sell stop here. Oh no, the 5 minutes about to close. So 1 sec. You want to close respecting on the 5. If the new 5 can come up immediately and take out those highs, that would be beautiful. Okay, so I have sell stops. I have sell stops on the flip of the current 15. Or on, sorry, no, not at the current 15. Yeah, 15, yeah. I have sell stops on the flip of this 15. If you flip here, you should see a good drive down to 2316 minimum. You should see a drive down to 2316 minimum because you don't really have any other areas here to reject off of, right? We're either gonna continue this rejection to the top side, or if we flip, or if we come down here, we're gonna see a pull down, right? We're gonna see a pull down. So similar to this move here, right? Similar to this move here. Close respecting this level here, came up a little bit, pushed down, and then, you know, towards 2316. If we ended up coming up here to say 2322 on this 5, I'll consider having a sell stop on the flip of the 5. But for right now, I have a sell stop on the flip of the 15. Wagwan.
I'm stepping away. Oh, I'm trading.
You said what?
I'm stepping away. I'm thinking, would I trade again later this evening? I really don't know.
Okay.
Sure.
Fair enough. Fair enough. That's why you're done for the day?
No. I told you I'm still monitoring GJ. I think the buyers are coming. I stand by what we said, 192.
Yeah, for sure.
192.2.
For sure. Ooh. Yeah, man. And look at the 15. Look at the way the 15 closed. The previous 15 closed no bottom wick. Previous 15 closed no bottom wick. If this 15 also closes no bottom wick, and this 30-minute, oh, look at the 30, bro. That's beautiful, to be honest with you. Look at the 30. So 30 came down, created a bottom wick for the previous 30. Now we're flipping bullish. If we can close above 192 minimum, well, yeah, 192 minimum for sure, we're gone. But I'll take a buy above 191.93 as well. I would take that as well. Yeah. Yeah, man. Because I mean,
that's the way trick.
yeah.
I told you go to hell with that nigga. To hell with that nigga. I'm not going to. I would look at pound, dollar, and later and that. That's just for analysis sake. I'm not taking any trade for that. I'm just looking. So this should be doing me dirty as well.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this 1030 should be active. We should get active on this 1030. This 30-minute close here.
Bro. Later.
Alright, no pino. Bless.
Yeah.
Appreciate your time every day, brother. Okay, so yeah, we could flip here on gold. I mean, if we flip, yeah, if we flip here and close above yeah, let's see. Yeah, if we flip here and close above 2330, then yeah, why not take the buys, right? Why not take the buys? Oh, that's why not. I mean, but we took the lows here already, so we could have been. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Is this 15 about to close? No, the 5 is about to close. So if the 5 looks like it's closing bullish, it's a weird formation on the minute. Okay, 5 closing bullish here. Okay. Yeah, so we just respect it. Okay, so we're respecting that level. We close bullish. Let's see. Okay, first thing we do is create a top wick, right? Yeah. Like, for instance, if I was off stream, I might even take this, right? I might even take the flip of this 5 to come down, because I mean, it doesn't get as, this vantage point doesn't get better than this, right? The only way I would take this flip now though is if we came all the way up here and tapped into 2330. If we tapped into 2330, I'd have a sell stop at the break of these lows. The earlier we did that, the better it would be, right? Yeah, because I mean, tapping into 2330, that's the flip of this candle, right? If we're gonna drive up here, we're not flipping back. Once this 30 flips, if we're driving up, once this 30 flips, I highly doubt we're flipping back. If we do, I'd be surprised. It's possible, but I'd be surprised. Yeah, the GJ is forming nicely as well. 3 minutes left for a 30 close though. Let's see. Okay, nice on GJ, man. Nice on GJ. Yeah, I highly doubt this is gonna flip. Highly doubt this is gonna flip. And even if it does, to be honest, look good. You're gonna have pullback, right? Let's see. I'm gonna delete the stops. I'm gonna delete the stops. Let me see. 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 What the hell? What the hell? Claro. 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 Quite the move, innit? Quite the move. Quite the move. Yeah, if this 30-minute can come up and close above 2330, then we're cooking. Then we're cooking with some heat. Then we cooking with some heat. To be honest, just a closer above here would be pretty good, huh? Let's see, 30. That's a bullish close regardless. All right. Yeah, look at that GJ, man. Damn. Damn, son, where'd you find this? Yeah, no bottom wick, straight push up. Yeah, so get ready for this one, guys. I mean, I'm pretty happy with just a close above here, to be honest. That's above here, so we see that pull, but this is really only a 30-minute level. Yeah, let's see. You want a bottom wick? I just need a bottom wick. I just need a bottom wick because we already came up here, then came down, tapped into the level. Second time we drove clean through. Yeah, I just need a bottom wick here, guys. I just need a bottom wick. It doesn't even have to be that much of a bottom wick. Just a bottom wick. Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, if the 4 hour flips, we're fucked. So cool. So with that, I'm gonna have a buy stop on GJ here. Ooh, it's happening pretty quick. Let me see if I can catch it. So buy stop is gonna be on the highs, break of the highs of the 4 hour. Yeah, break of these highs there. 1.996. So that's just 5 to 100. 8, right? So 8 point. Okay. So 192. What level is that? 192. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna wait for a 5-minute close. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minutes to close. Yeah, man, just need a closer above 192, really. Closer. Yeah, that's the 4 hour highs. Yep, that's the 4 hour highs. You might see a push here. You might see a push. You might see a push. But I'm gonna wait for the 5-minute close here above 192. Rejected off of that level before, not quite. Yeah, I just need a 5-minute close here. 5-minute close above 30, really. So a minute left here. Let's see how this 5-minute close. Okay. Yeah, so I just need a 5-minute closer above 192 here. We get that 5-minute closer above, I'll be in there. Okay, so we're rejected off of it, right? Okay, so this 5-minute, right? I tell you what, as soon as if this 5-minute can come down, oh yeah, we might drive here, guys. We might drive here. we might drive here, but I don't like that we're holding this much, this level this much. Yeah, so one of two things is gonna happen here. It's either we're gonna, so this 5 minute is gonna close either bearish respecting or bullish respecting, and then the next 5 minute we can break above, which would be the 15-minute closure as well, and then we can take the buys up off the 15-minute. All right, or this is just gonna, we've created a bottom wick now, this is gonna take these highs and just push straight up. Yeah, I don't want to take anything out of haste here, so I'm gonna wait on it. I'm gonna wait on it. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Yeah. I'm gonna wait on it here. Gonna wait on it. Gonna wait on it. So that's what's happening on the 5. This is what's happening on the 15. Yeah, so I mean, your cleanest buys here would be a closer above 192.03, right? Yeah, that would be your cleanest closer to take the buys going up, but you could get some earlier buys here if you didn't want to miss the move, but it is what it is. So 30 minutes. So how did this 30? So the 30 closed bearish below here. Yeah, we respected this resistance, right? This resistance to the left, this support as well. 15 closed bullish. This 15 could come down and drive 30. Yeah, you should be able to get some more positions here for the day if we're gonna break out here. But if this is the range, if this is where we're gonna range, we're just gonna stay in here, right? But once we break out, yeah, once we break out, we might see some Okay, so GJ pulling up here. We might just drive here, guys. This 5 minute close. Let's see. Yeah, because the thing is, if you're gonna take this off of the 5 minute, you can't not you know, you can't not consider this level here at 192.05. Right, if the 5 minute is gonna be your smoking bullet, then your smoking gun, you can't not consider the level. Yeah, with this 5 minute close, you could drive, y'all. You could drive, but let's see. I've been recording this whole time. Cool. So Yeah, the 5-minute close I don't even like. I'm not even a fan of the open and close of the 5, so we'll see what happens here. We're gonna wait for the 15. This could just drive up though. This could just drive up. If you got FOMO, good luck to you. I want to look away for the next 5 minutes. Yeah, so 192.2 are targets for the day. 30-minute coming up here. 15-minute about to close. If we can get a closure here above 192.03. Yeah. Have this range to play with 9 pips. Yeah, so yeah, I'll either be in a trade on GJ by this 15 close, or I'll be, you know, I'll end stream. Either or, one or the other. One or the other. Stream record. Yeah, April getting off to a slower start than March, but hey, we've already had, I think, 2 weekends in April. Oh no, we only had 1 weekend in April. Never mind. Does it feel like we had 2 weekends? Okay. Okay, so gold rejecting. GJ, we still pushing up. Let's see. Yeah, for the 30-minute close, 192 closure is all you need, right? But if you're getting it off of a 15 close here, I mean 30-minute is gonna be the hourly close as well, so you'd be good on both ends. So, but if you're entering off of a 15 close here, yeah, you might need to wait for a little bit of a higher close, but yeah. But the 5 is gonna hold this support, it seems. Just hold this level as support. 4 hour. Yeah, you might just see a push up here. Okay. Yeah, so just get ready here, guys. Get ready here. We might have entries incoming in a little bit. And see the hourly flips. We're fucked. Okay, so yeah, so we just took those highs again. What's gonna happen here? Let's see. Come down, tap into this level. Yeah, this will be the level we drive off of, right? So okay, get ready, y'all. Get ready. This might be a market execution. This might be market execution. Let me see. Okay, so okay, disgusting. Yeah, sick close on the 15, and by sick I don't mean good sick. Yeah, shit close on the 15. Shit close on the 15. But now you are technically above, right? You're playing above 192 point. Yeah, 192 right now. Right? You're playing above 192. Yeah, final 15 of this hourly as well. Yeah, so I didn't take a trade there. Yeah, and I don't want to take the trade off stream, right? As I have said in the past. Okay, so now we tapped into this area. 15.5. Yeah, if this 5 has no bottom wick. Yeah, we could drive up here, but it is what it is. We'll have to chalk that one up as a missed. It's not really a missed trade because it's not a trade we can take. Yeah, things get dicey now. Things get dicey. Yeah. 30 minute. Yeah, that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. But yeah, because I mean, technically, this is because if we're mirroring this move right to the left, look what happened in this move. We came up here, right? Tapped into this level, and then I mean, we tapped into it first, rejected, then we moved up, right? Right? Okay. So if we're looking to do that here, right? This wick here was the push up, initial push up, came down, tapped into this level, came back to that level, right? Now that we came back to this level again, boom, right? If we come back down, retest 191.93, right? 191.93. If we come back to these highs, or if we get like a closure above here, we should be good to drive up, to be honest. Yeah, we're basically mirroring this move to the left. We're basically mirroring that move to the left. I don't know if it was clear what I'm talking about, but so yeah, let me do it here. Right, so what screen am I on? Okay. Yeah, so what I'm saying is, right, if you look at this push up, right, what we did here was this push up, come down, tap into this level, right? Then we came up again, right? If you look at this candle right here, we came up again, right? Rejected, right? We closed above here. That means we tapped into this level. This is all on the lower time frames, right? Tapped into this level, and then we pushed up finally, right? Right? Boom. Same thing is happening here. Same exact thing is happening here, right? We came up, right? Which is this candle here. We came up, right? We rejected off that candle, created this bottom wick as well, tapped into this level, boom, right? Came back up. Now we've come back up again, boom. But we got a lot further up than here, but still, we came up. Now we came back down again, tapped into this level again. Now can we see our drive up? Right? So everything is in place here. All we need now is this 15 minute to close above 192. So that's 15 and the 30 as well, right? Yeah, so all we need now is a 30-minute closer above 192. The hourly as well. Let me let this dude know. Let these dudes know. Where do gotta take it to the group chat. we've been out here 3 hours. Woof. Damn, over trader over here, man. Crazy. Okay, so okay. Yeah, gold formation bearish. Hourly. This is looking nice. This is looking nice. This is looking nice. Hourly 30. Yeah, so we just need this 30 to close above 192. A little bit of a bottom wick and we'll be in there. Yeah, I'll be back though. I'll be back. Say a step away for a second and I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay, we back. Let's see. Ooh. Let us see. See what happens here. With this 30 close in about 30 seconds. So it looks like we're gonna close above here, guys. Nope. Final minute rejection. Okay, so we're taking this. So understand, right? We closed just barely below 192. Okay, just barely below 192. If I want to take this, what do I need here? Let me see. 15 closing back below here, respecting 30. Yeah, I need this 30 to, yeah, I need a bottom wick to 191.95 here. 15, 5. Yeah, if I can get this, yeah, I mean, we're doing it right now, right? Yeah, so now we've tapped into that level. I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of the hourly. I'm gonna have a buy stop here on the flip of this hour. There. All right, so that's still on the 4 hour as well. So there. Cool. So I'm gonna have a buy stop here. Buy stop ain't quite yet. So 1, 2. Yeah, look at that as well. Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop here, 192.01. Sells. It's 11 though. Yeah, it is 11 though, so that's true, it's 11. Yeah, so I got my buy stops in 192.01. Let me see. Yeah, buy stops in at 192.01. If I'm not activated by this 5, I might close. Yeah, I might just delete that. Yeah. If I'm not activated by this 5, I'll delete the position. I'll delete the entry. Yeah. 192. Yeah, so you want to be activated by the 5 here. You want to be activated by the 5. If you're not activated by the 5, you're gonna have to wait for a closure above on the 5. Closure above 192. And yeah, I don't want to push the stream any further, to be honest. It's already pushing here. Yeah, so 10 seconds here. We might flip on this 5, maybe. Okay, so the 5 just closed. Yeah, 5 just closed. First thing we do is create a top wick. I'm gonna delete that. Yeah, so guys, this could drive up. This could flip and continue to push up. I would say wait for a 5-minute. If this 5-minute closes no bullish, no bottom wick, I'd say wait for the 15 close. But if we create a bottom wick at some point here and we close above on the 5, yeah, then you should be good to drive up. Yeah, because it's an iffy area, right? So right there our stops would have been activated, right? But look what the 5-minute looks like now. So this could just be a top wick for the 5 to continue going down, right? So 15-minute took the lows as well, so this is nice, right? This is a good formation to continue to push up. It's a good formation to continue to push up, but yeah, you wanted it to form a little bit better than this. Yeah, I'm tempted to stay. I mean, yeah, I guess, yeah, I'll stay till the 15. Yeah, I'll stay till the next 15 and we'll see what happens. Yeah, so on everything else though, I'm just gonna be done for the day. So I won't look for anything else on gold. I'll stay till this 5-minute close on, or not 5, the 15-minute close on GJ, but it might just go here. We might be going right here. We might be going right here. Yeah, let's see though. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
This.
I gotta get back on the court, man. It's been a while since I hooped. Yo, Wemby hitting no look threes, bro. Nah, fam. Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Come on, man. Yeah, I'd say so. This 5 with a 5-minute closing like this, I'd say bottom wick down here, flip of the 5, you could take that, right? But keep in mind it is 11 o'clock here, but I have seen price move a lot later recently. Ooh, so that's the 5-minute close. Are we gonna drive there or what? Let's see. Let's see. Brother, what is that? Brother, hilarious, bro. And our brother, Okay, so yeah, man. Let's see. 3 minutes left for this 15 to close. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Sketchy, bro. It's a sketchy level. I mean, we already tapped into this level, right? Yeah, we did. So boom, boom, all the way down here. Push back up, close. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Habibi, it's on fire, Habibi. Hey, yo. That's hilarious. Habibi drift. All right. Let's see. 15-minute about to close here. Can we get some on the 15? Yeah, I'm looking at these, what happened in the past here on the 30. Is it on the 30 or on the hourly? Let's see. I was looking at something just now. Yeah, on the 15. Right, if you notice, we came up here, closed at this level, rejected, came down here, came back up, closed bullish, respecting this level, and then we drove up, right? So I mean, this formed similarly here. So let's see. Can we close above here? Can we close above? Say here 192. Yeah, if we don't close, there you go. So we're pushing here. All we need is a bottom wick here. Yeah, all we need here is a bottom wick, and I'll probably buy manually. So first thing we did was make a top wick. Okay, yeah, so that's fucked. So no bottom wick there. Okay, so now we have a bottom wick. If we break these highs again, I'll be in. I'm gonna have a buy stop on this high, so 192.0. I'm gonna have or I have buy stops in here. 92.04. Right, TPs are up here. Stop loss is the hourly lows, which is here. Well, actually previous hourly lows, which is here. Okay, so we currently have buy stops here. All right, we have buy stops. We have buy stops set here. Let's see if we get activated in this 5 minutes. If the 5 minute close is bearish, hey, that's gonna be it for me. What are we we like 4 hours on stream. Tough. Long Monday still. Long Monday still. Yeah, we got 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. Can we get activated in 2 minutes here? So I mean, all of this is good, right? This is all good because now we took the lows of the previous 5 minutes as well. So that's good. That's nice. That's nice. So here, right? Actually, so that's the 5. Yeah, that's been twice now, right? Yeah. If we're gonna drive up here, we should flip on this 5. But let's see. And the steeper this bottom wick is before we flip, if we flip, I mean, that's always a plus, right? That's always a plus. So this is still good. In terms of the formation right now, this is still all right. This is still all right. No complaints from me just yet. About to have a minute left. This minute is about to close decently here. It looks like came down bearish bottom wick. If we close back above, let's see, 3 seconds. Okay, so minute didn't close as good. Let's see the 5 though. Let's see the 5. See the 5. Looks like it closed respecting. 30 seconds or so. Okay, 10 seconds left, so I am gonna delete, and we are gonna call it a stream right there. Okay, so we got into the initial gold sales for the day. We closed break even. You know, we managed the position beautifully. Closed break even. We had what looked to be positions on both gold and GJ throughout the day, but nothing really formed, right? I mean, it's a Monday, no news, so I guess I shouldn't be too surprised. I also won't be surprised if we start pushing up here heavy. I wouldn't be too surprised there as well. But yeah, for now, this is gonna be it for me. I'd say maybe a closer above 190. I mean, yeah, you're getting pretty close here once you start looking at these areas, right? Because I mean, if you're waiting for a 30-minute close to buy, that would be up here, and then it's like, yeah, things get iffy, right? Yeah, but I'm gonna be done for the day. Yeah, appreciate y'all for showing up. We back again tomorrow, right? Same time, same place, same strategy. 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. Watts. Appreciate y'all time. Have a good one. Have a good rest of the day. Peace.